I'm Rowley, County Commissioner from Missoula County, Montana.
And I'm Erin Kautz. I'm a grants administrator for Missoula County and the current project director for the Safety and Justice Challenge. And we have received funding from the MacArthur Foundation to help with our pretrial programs, to help with some of our mental and behavioral health problems that we're having in our jail, and overall jail overcrowding. So the strategies that we have proposed to the MacArthur Foundation and that we're hoping to implement, we have implementing some front-end jail diversion with law enforcement and trying to look at some cite and release policies, things like that. We are also supporting our prosecutor-led diversion project, working with our county attorney's office, doing some front-end diversion through that way. We have been trying to increase the use of our public safety assessment tool, and that just started recently, and we're going to increase that. We would like to provide some post-booking stabilization for people with behavioral health needs and more needs for addiction services. And then we're also going to provide outreach and education about indigenous cultures and racial disparities within our jail and the criminal justice system. We're going to be looking at doing some implicit bias trainings with law enforcement. We are going to try to do some trauma trainings with throughout the criminal justice system, and hopefully through these different strategies we will make a difference in our jail population.
Yes, we're very thankful for the MacArthur Foundation's funding. When we were an innovation site, we worked with our Native American population in the jail, looking at a Native outreach project, and we're able to come up with some great recommendations that now, with the ongoing funding from MacArthur, we are able to hire a cultural liaison for that project to continue to address the ethnic and racial disparities in our jail. And it builds on our community's efforts. We've commissioned and implemented a jail diversion master plan and had multiple projects going, but it's been a heavy lift and a lot of work, and having the support of the technical expertise and the funding from the foundation is really going to move the needle in our community. So we're really excited to do the work, and we want to do this work because we're accountable for upholding justice in our communities, and we need data to prove that, and we need to continuously be doing quality improvement and really looking at how we're doing and are we serving our communities and are we serving the people in the most need and things. There are so many social determinants that are drivers of criminal behavior, and really addressing more holistically the problems that our community is having that are driving our justice system. So we hope to address those and are, again, appreciative of a foundation that understands that bigger picture and is really working across all communities, specifically with the different problems that exist across the nation to really make positive change.